Tesla has announced an electric car motor that has shaken the entire EV industry. From BYD to Tesla's own headquarters, the question echoes everywhere. What has Elon Musk done now? Because the motor Tesla has created this time is nothing short of miraculous. It's a rare earth-free motor, meaning it doesn't use any rare earth metals. Until now, all companies relied on the same expensive and limited metals that have driven EV prices skyrocketing. But Tesla has turned the game around. Elon Musk announced that his new motor contains no rare earth elements, yet its performance is twice as good as previous motors. This motor uses a new magnetic technology that not only increases range, but also reduces power consumption. This means vehicles will now travel farther, require less charging, and significantly reduce costs. This is why Tesla's innovation has created a stir among automobile companies worldwide. Now, the question is this move simply about protecting the environment, or is there a larger market strategy behind it? Will Tesla's new motor end the dominance of companies like BYD? And most importantly, what new technology has Tesla used in this? And why will this motor disrupt the entire electric market in the future? Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel to be the first to see powerful videos like this one. How Tesla's rare earth-free motor is different. Tesla's rare earth-free motor has opened a new chapter in the global electric vehicle market. Until now, the motors of all EV cars manufactured required the use of rare earth metals such as neodymium, terbium, and dysprosium. These metals were essential for making magnets, providing greater power and speed. However, these metals are very expensive and are available only in a few countries such as China. Therefore, the global EV industry had become dependent on them. Now Tesla has achieved the same feat with rare earth-free technology, making the motor more powerful, affordable, and environmentally friendly even without these metals. This is what sets it apart from all other motors. Now the question is, how did Tesla achieve this magic? In fact, Tesla has adopted a new magnetic architecture in its new motor. Motors typically use permanent magnets containing rare earth elements. However, Tesla's motor uses a different method. It uses an advanced copper-based magnet system that provides the same magnetic strength, but contains no rare earth metals. Tesla engineers designed the magnetic flux to increase both the motor's efficiency and torque without the use of rare earth metals. The rotor design of this motor is also completely new. Heat loss and energy leakage were major problems in older electric motors. This time Tesla incorporated a closed magnetic loop structure into its rotor, which keeps the magnet flux more stable and generates less heat. This means the motor delivers more power with less electricity and will also last longer. This is why Elon Musk said this motor will be the most efficient motor ever. Another special feature is smart material optimization. Tesla used materials in this motor that are not only recyclable but also environmentally friendly. This means the entire motor is eco-friendly. While other companies are polluting through rare earth mining, Tesla has broken that cycle. This motor has become a prime example of future clean technology. Now, speaking of performance, this rare earth-free motor has far greater power than conventional motors. Its torque response is faster, acceleration is better, and heat management is top-notch. According to Tesla, energy loss in this new motor has been reduced by 25%, meaning your car can now travel longer without draining the battery. Furthermore, because it doesn't contain rare earth elements, its production cost has also decreased. This will directly benefit future Tesla models like the Model 2 by lowering the price. Another major advantage is control of the global supply chain. Now Tesla will no longer have to rely on a single country for rare metals. This will not only make production cheaper, but will also reduce the impact of global shortages or geopolitical tensions. In other words, Tesla has turned the EV industry's biggest weakness into a strength. Technically, this motor isn't just a mechanical invention, but a complete paradigm shift. Until now, it was believed that creating a high-performance magnet without rare earth was impossible. But Tesla has proven that the word impossible isn't in their dictionary. This motor will shape the future where every company will strive toward rare earth-free solutions. Tesla's new motor is a silent revolution. It combines advanced magnetic design, copper-based high-strength magnets, an efficient cooling system, and lightweight materials that elevates the entire EV system to a new level. This isn't just a motor, but Elon Musk's message that sustainable and affordable technology will be the driving force of tomorrow. Double the power and performance. How it was possible. When Elon Musk claimed Tesla's new rare earth-free motor would double its performance, many were incredulous. But when the technical aspects of this motor were revealed, everyone realized that this wasn't a marketing gimmick, but a true revolutionary change. Now, the question is, how did Tesla achieve this? The secret lies in its torque efficiency and energy loss reduction system. Previous electric motors had a major problem. Running at high speeds would generate heat, wasting a significant portion of the energy. This reduced the vehicle's range and caused the motor to wear out quickly. However, Tesla has completely redesigned the motor this time. This motor features an advanced electromagnetic structure that keeps the magnetic field more stable. As a result, when the motor rotates, torque or the force that propels the vehicle is much greater than before. This is why Tesla claims that the new motor can deliver nearly 2 times the performance of its predecessor. This means more power, faster speed, and more power with less electricity. Tesla has also improved the rotor and stator design of this motor. Previously, some of the motor's energy was wasted as heat, but now this motor has a low-resistance winding and a heat-dissipating copper frame. This allows the motor to remain cool even when running for extended periods, and it wastes approximately 20 to 25% less energy. When the motor heats up less, its efficiency automatically increases. This directly impacts the vehicle's range, meaning the vehicle can travel longer on a single charge. Elon Musk says that this motor is not only powerful, but also offers smart energy utilization. This means that the motor automatically decides when and how much power to use during driving, balancing both performance and battery life. To achieve this, Tesla has integrated AI-based sensors into the motor control system that capture real-time data such as motor temperature, voltage, and speed. This data is instantly processed and the motor automatically adjusts its power output. This is why the car runs smoothly, energy loss is minimal, and acceleration feels incredibly fast. Now, let's talk about the environment. This rare earth-free motor isn't just designed for performance. It's also a major environmental win. Until now, rare earth metals like neodymium, terbium, and dysprosium were used for EV motors. These metals are found only in a few countries like China, and the mining required to extract them severely harms the earth. Earth's layers are dug up, toxic chemicals are used, and significant water is wasted. According to numerous studies, rare earth mining increases radioactive pollution in both soil and water. However, Tesla's new motor doesn't use these metals. This means less mining, which will improve the health of the planet. This motor operates on a copper-based magnetic system, which is not only inexpensive but also recyclable. This means that if this motor is replaced in the future, its materials can be reused without any environmental damage. Furthermore, rare earth-free technology significantly reduces the carbon footprint. The more rare earth mining is reduced, the lower greenhouse gas emissions will be. Tesla itself has stated that this motor is a major step towards achieving zero mining dependency in the future. This means that cars will not only be electric but also truly clean for the planet. Imagine when a motor delivers more power, consumes less electricity, and protects the environment. It's absolutely apt to call it a future motor. This is why companies around the world are now closely watching this Tesla model, because it's not just technology, but a message that the future is green and smart. This Tesla motor wins on 2 fronts, both power and environmental protection. On one hand, this motor is breaking all the old records in terms of performance, while on the other hand, it is proving to be the biggest step towards saving the Earth. Why BYD and other companies are losing sleep. Ever since Elon Musk announced the rare earth-free motor, companies like BYD, Toyota, and Honda have been left sleepless. The reason is simple. Tesla has achieved what other companies were only dreaming of. Until now, BYD was considered the world's fastest-growing electric brand. But the game has changed. The rare earth-free motor means Tesla is now not only ahead in technology, but also winning in both cost and sustainability. BYD's vehicles are known for their high performance and battery technology, but they still rely on rare earth materials. This increases their production costs and creates supply constraints. Tesla, on the other hand, has eliminated this dependence by adopting the rare earth-free system. The effect will be that Tesla's vehicles will be cheaper and more efficient than BYD's in the coming months, which could impact BYD's market share. Now, talking about Toyota and Honda, both companies were lagging behind in the EV race. Toyota still relies heavily on hybrid technology, while Honda is currently strengthening its EV lineup, but Tesla's rare earth-free motor has forced them to rethink their entire strategy. This technology shows that the future will be determined not just by batteries or software, but also by motor design. Toyota and Honda are now increasing research in this direction to develop rare earth-free or low rare earth motors, but this will take time. Tesla's current advantage may last for years to come. Now, when it comes to cost, this rare earth-free technology will prove to be the biggest game share for Tesla. The prices of rare earth metals are rising rapidly, and only a few countries control their supply. When a motor eliminates these metals, its manufacturing costs will automatically decrease by 20 to 30%. This means that the price of a fully electric car can now be lower. Tesla's next big goal is the Model 2, the most affordable Tesla car. Elon Musk has already stated that this car will be priced around $25,000, approximately 20 lakh rupees. Now, with the introduction of a rare earth-free motor, this goal will become even easier. The motor will become cheaper, material costs will decrease, and production process will be faster. This means Tesla will be able to create a car that is not only high-tech but also accessible to the general public. This technology will benefit Tesla not only in price but also in production speed. Many companies have to halt production due to the shortage of rare earth metals. But now Tesla will no longer need such materials. It can manufacture the motor completely under its own control. This will shorten production chain and reduce delivery times. This is what is bothering BYD, Toyota, and Honda the most, as they still don't have a solution to eliminate their dependence on rare earths. This will have a direct impact on the market. When Tesla introduces affordable, long-range, and durable vehicles powered by rare earth-free motors, other companies will be forced to reduce prices. But this won't be easy as their costs are already high. Therefore, it's being said that the next 2 years will be decisive for the EV market. Either companies adopt the rare earth-free path or Tesla will push them out of the market. Rare earth-free technology is not just an innovation, but a revolution. Tesla has demonstrated that sustainable technology doesn't have to be expensive. This step is not just for Tesla's profits, but for the future of the entire auto industry. Now, companies like BYD, Toyota, and Honda have only two options. Either keep pace with this change or lose out to Tesla speed. And if everything goes according to Elon Musk's plan, in the coming years, low-cost, rare, earth-free vehicles like the Model 2 will be seen running on the roads of every country. And then it will become clear who is the real king of EV. A glimpse into the future tomorrow from Rare Earth-Free Motor. If you want to glimpse the future, say 5 to 10 years from now, Tesla's Rare Earth-Free Motor is the first step toward that future. Until now, the world relied on rare earth metals to build electric vehicles, EVs, which are not only expensive, but also limited. But Tesla has broken this dependence. This is no longer just a technology, but a revolution that will transform an entire industry. In the coming years, this innovation will be the one that will make petrol and diesel engines obsolete. Imagine when a company like Tesla can build a motor without rare earth that is powerful, affordable, and durable. Other companies will follow suit. In the next 5 years, almost every major EV company, whether BYD, Toyota, Honda, or Volkswagen, will be attempting to shift to rare earth-free technology. This will make production cheaper, simplify the supply chain, and increase the availability of electric vehicles worldwide. This change will make EVs no longer just luxury cars, but vehicles within the reach of ordinary people. The question now arises, does this change mark the beginning of the end of the internal combustion engine, ICE, or petrol-diesel engines? The answer is yes. Absolutely. For the past 100 years, engine technology has relied on the same old philosophy, burning fuel to generate energy. But now that technology, like the rare earth-free motor, has arrived, the need for fuel will be eliminated. Electric motors are already silent, clean, and more efficient. And now that their costs have also decreased, there is no reason for companies to continue promoting petrol engines. In the next 10 years, we will see petrol pumps gradually decrease and charging stations appear everywhere. Vehicle designs will change, their maintenance will become cheaper, and people will have more affordable, powerful, and environmentally friendly options than ever before. The rare earth-free motor will form the strongest foundation for this change. The impact of this technology won't be limited to the car industry. In the future, these same motors will be used for scooters, buses, trucks, and even airplanes. Because when a motor is cheap, powerful, and doesn't harm the earth, it will be useful everywhere. Another important thing, rare earth-free motors will also change the political and economic interdependence of countries. Until now, China controlled approximately 80% of the rare earth supply. But when the need for rare earth is no longer there, other countries will also have an equal opportunity in the EV industry. Countries like the US, Europe, India, and Japan will now be able to manufacture their own EV motors without any external pressure or expensive imports. This move by Elon Musk is not just a technology, but the beginning of a new thinking. He is demonstrating that in the future, power will lie with those who are both sustainable and innovative. Rare earth-free motors will change the EV market in three major ways in the coming decade. First, they will bring down prices. Second, it will accelerate the shift to green energy. Third, it will end the era of petrol engines. And yes, the biggest benefit of this change will accrue to customers. In the next few years, you will be able to buy an electric car for less than Rs 1 million that will run for 500,600 kilometers, requires zero maintenance, and deliver 10 to the 12 kilometers of mileage on a single unit of electricity. The rare earth-free motor is not a glimpse of the future, but a reality. Companies that today consider it a joke will be chasing it tomorrow. And the day this technology spreads worldwide, the era of the internal combustion engine will truly end. That means in the next 5 to 10 years, you'll see quieter roads, cleaner air, and more intelligent, powerful, and affordable vehicles. And behind this entire transformation will be a single name, Elon Musk and his rare earth-free motor. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel because in the coming time, we will be the first to bring more surprising news about Tesla.